So hello everyone, this is Kushi Mahave and today I'm very excited again to come with you all with another topic, which is the mindset. And I know that when we all basically achieve goals, or when we trying to achieve our goals, that's one quality any winner or any successful person really have common, is that they have a very positive, strong and solid mindset. And that is exactly what I want to give you all the steps which will help you all build a kind of mindset which I am also basically learning and developing, and not just professionally, it also helps a lot to basically deal with the challenges of life as well. So the very first thing is that we all know that life is not going to be positive fairy tale and always in your favor. So the very basic thing which you can basically achieve in yourself and learn from within yourself is that how positive you can be, no matter what the situation is. No matter like things are in your favor or not, you are still being like not taking the results too much into your head or heart. So there is a line in Bhagavad Gita which means that you have to be a karma yogi. आप अपना कर्म करे जाओ, and you don't have to really need to basically think about what you know is the results are going to be in my favor or not, is I'm gonna achieve this or not. Even if it's not there, you're not going to be so unhappy or sad about it. And even if you achieve that, you're not going to be too taking it into your head and being over positive about it. That's exactly what Karma Yogi means in the Bhagavad Gita, and that's what exactly kind of mindset and the kind of thinking we have to develop. And it's not like okay, I said it, or it's going to basically happen, but it's actually something which we deliberately, with patience, with consistency develop, and we are gonna still lose out at times, but at the end of the day, this positive mindset can really help a lot to not just achieve your goal, but also the kind of peace, the inner peace, the kind of foundation you really need to have within yourself. And so this is the first very basic step which I felt, is to have a very positive mindset. And you cannot be negative, like, because that is going to take away any single 1% chance to succeed. So that is the first thing. The second thing is that you need to have a self-control. Now think about it, you want to conquer the world, you want to win, you want to basically achieve so much in the universe, you want to get so much from the universe. But before controlling the world, before getting it into your control or getting the power or anything, you need to first conquer and learn and win how to control yourself. पूरी दुनिया हम जीतने जा रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर हमने खुद को ही नहीं जीता, खुद को ही हम काबू नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, then what is the sense of it? And what is really like, it's a very essential key, and it's a very essential like step to have a positive mindset and to have one step closer to your success, is to have a self-control. Like, I need to control my mind, I need to control my body, I need to control my mouth, and I need to constantly, with patience, keep on working on it consistently. And so after positivity, you need to also have control on yourself. You have to be responsible for what you speak, for what you do, and you have to take accountability for that, and that is very important. The another very basic thing which we need to understand and we need to embed in our lives is that if you really want something big in your life, if you really want to be extremely successful in your life, you need to pay extra than what you are thinking of. It's very easy to think that I want this, I want to do this. It's even more easier than that to basically keep on, sorry for the noise, so it's even more easier to keep on thinking that okay, I will plan this, I will start from this and this and that. But before that anything, you need to understand that there is a lot of sacrifices of sleep, a lot of sacrifices to have a good body, to have a good mind. You need to meditate, and you need to sacrifice a lot of family time, a lot of friends, and a lot of outings which other people who are okay with the lifestyle they are living, you need to sacrifice it if you want to upgrade yourself. So sacrifices are very essential, like key to happiness, not happiness I would say, a key to basically success, goal and a mindset. So that is the mindset you need to create, that you need to be ready for any kind of sacrifices, any kind of person, any kind of situation which is coming between you and your goal, you are ready to give it away right there, right then. So this is again the another point. The another point which would I like to basically say is that ki, you know what, the situations are going to come, it's gonna go, everything is temporary. You know, I used to take things so seriously, like, you know, why this is happening to me. I used to think that I am the only one dealing with any kind of, you know, sadness or negativity or anything. You need to understand that the world is battling its own battles which you are not aware of. You need to understand that everybody has their own journey, own timelines, and own special, something is special about you. So you need to understand that, and you need to keep reminding your mind and yourself, and you need to keep realizing that everything is temporary. तो जब मौका मिले खुश होने का, उसे 2x करके जी लो. एंड जब भी लाइफ तुम्हें थोड़ा सेटबैक या थोड़ा नीचे धकेले, तो 2 मिनट पेशेंस के साथ रह लो, क्योंकि देयर इज गोइंग टू बी गुड डेज अगेन, देयर गोइंग टू बी बैड डेज अगेन. But one thing is definitely is that how you perceive it, how you deal with those situations, and that's exactly the differentiator. And this is the mindset which comes from consciously changing the way you think, the way you read, the way you deal with the situations. What are the, what you're feeding your brain with, what kind of content you are listening. Are you growth oriented? Are you chasing the negativity and or what not? So that is exactly these kinds of things which is going to create a winner mindset. And definitely nothing is gonna change until and unless we are not gonna make some movement, we are not gonna make an effort to make ourselves better. So yeah, these are the kind of things which are very basic, but when we have to do it, we kind of procrastinate. We need to understand that nothing is free in this world, and you can do it. I am learning, I know that you are gonna learn also, and we all gonna make a difference in our lives. And if you like this video, just keep like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is The Bold Introvert. So bye.